Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, my name is Rukia Laltia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this tasty curry beef mincemeat. Oh my goodness, this stew, it's so good. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. In a bowl, pour some oil, let it to heat up, and add your onions and cook the onions until translucent, followed by a tablespoon of garlic paste. Give it a mix. Then you're going to add 2 large potatoes. I've cut them into cubes like so that it can be easy for the potatoes to cook fast. Then you're also going to add 1 large tomato, which I've cut it into pieces, and add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix everything well. Then it's high time to add our spices. You can add or you can reduce the spices, that's up to you. Personally, I added some salt to taste, of course, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. You know, we are Africans, we love spices, of course, in our foods. And you're going to add 1 piece of Maggi or jumbo, and lastly, of course, we are Kenyans, we love using Royco in everything. Add a tablespoon of Royco and dilute it with some water. Pour into the curry. Lastly, drop a bay leaf to add a good aroma into your curry. Mix everything well and let it cook for approximately 2 minutes or until the tomatoes are soft and the potatoes they are as well soft. Then lastly, you're going to add your beef mincemeat. You can able to use lamb or any meat that you prefer. Mix everything well, and lastly, squeeze that lime or lemon to add an extra amazing taste to your curry, and let the curry to cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes or until everything is nicely cooked. Once ready, serve your mincemeat curry in a bowl. Oh my goodness, this curry was so good. You can eat it with chapati, rice, spaghetti, or anything that you like, and enjoy your beef mincemeat stew. And if you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know how it tastes. And do give this video a big thumbs up and do share. And of course, follow me and do subscribe on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia. And see you next time. Bye bye.